Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when I go to exercise, I want a sports bra type top that is going to give me some support, but also be comfortable and flexible. And I've found that this top from Aoxjox has been perfect for my needs. The fabric is super soft and stretchy. It has soft support with a shelf bra and some removable pads. I'm a 32 double D, so I got a size small, and this fits me well. I do have some back rolls, and the positioning on this is perfect for hiding them. It also has nice, strong double spaghetti straps. I got the black leopard print pattern. I absolutely love this. The leopard print is very subtle, but gives it a nice depth. It's so cute, and it just goes along with the style super well. Aoxjox has a ton of different colors and patterns to choose from, one for every day of the week or whatever mood you're in. You're sure to find the perfect one for your exercise routine. I could not be happier with this sports bra top. I think you're gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.